Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to show you how to access your W-2 forms in UKG very simply and without a lot of issues. This is something that we are reached out to about very often, and a lot of employees don't know that even after they are terminated or no longer with the company, you still have access to your UKG. So if you worked with us in September of 2022, your W-2 will be in here. So starting on the homepage, we're going to go down to our favorite area under quick links, and we're going under the My Pay section and W-2. So because this is a tutorial account, there is not an actual W-2 in here, but there will be on yours, and you have the ability to click, it's going to be on this side, and download that form and save it yourself. You also can come up to this top bar and just type in W-2, and it will take you right to this same area. Also on this side, under My HR, Forms, Government Forms, W-2, or under My Pay, Forms, W-2. They all lead back to the same place. So it's a very helpful resource. It's something that you want to have access to and you want to know where it is. So please reference this video in the future if you ever need to get that form back for yourself. Thank you so much. I hope this was helpful. Bye-bye.